Hi, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for joining me for my unboxing of Rose by the Petite Wig Company based in Australia. And I was sent this by the Australian wig company, so thank you very much. And I will put the link to this piece down below. First of all, look at this box. Isn't it gorgeous? So very securely packaged. You get a nice little velvety bag. And here it is. How pretty this color is already. Oh. And I got a little silicone spray bottle with it. Oh, I love it. And then there's a little card with care tips, so you have QR codes there. Really useful, especially if you're new to Techno Fibre or heat-friendly fibers. So the Petite Wig Company called their heat-friendly fibers Techno Fibres. So now to the main attraction. So this is Rose. I love how securely this is packaged. I like this netting. This is not as flimsy. You know, sometimes the normal ones you get can be really like static and they just cling on you. This one doesn't. So it's really easy to put back over. This color is gorgeous. This is right up my street. I like a warmer blonde on me. I like it rooted. Oh, it's gorgeous. Let's look at this cap construction. So you have a mono top. So that means you can part it wherever you like in this section here. So it gives you a natural part line without a wig cap showing. Then you have an extended lace front that runs into the ear tabs. So you will have a natural hairline right into the ear tabs. So you can pull back the hair there. And again, you will not see the wig edge. You have a mainly hand-tied cap. You can see my fingers through there. So really natural there. And then you have some covered wefts at the back. You have an extended velvet nape with Velcro adjusters, velvet covered ear tabs with metal stays in them. Let's pop this on. The fibers feel really soft. I was after a wig that I can wear at work. I work in retail. I used to be a teacher, but I left that job, so now I'm working in retail. So I wanted a wig that is great for every day. Now, this is called the Petite Wig Company because the cap is a petite average cap, I would say. I think it goes up to 22 inch. I have a 21.5 inch circumference. Oh, wow. Oh my God, that's exactly what I hoped it would look like. Wow, okay. Right, before I look any further, let me just do the 4-finger trick. So if you are new to wigs and you don't know where your hairline sits, 4 fingers from the bridge of your nose, and then where this 4-finger ends, this is where the hairline should be. Wow. As you can see, this is straight out of the box. I haven't done anything to this. All I really need to do is get rid of the tag and I'm ready to go. Oh, look at it. Oh, I'm so excited. I am getting a little bit emotional here. You know, sometimes when you choose a wig and you have in your head what it looks like, and it does then look like it, you're like, oh, you get this reaction. So again, sorry. But all right, let's look at the hairline. I mean, look at it. It's like growing straight out of my head. I can't really see any knots. Wow. Let's look at the part. So obviously you can change that part because you have that mono top. So wherever you would like it to be, I quite like it at the moment like this. Normally I'm a bit off center, more like this, but I like this look as it is. Density, as you can see, lovely and low. No permatease here. This is beautiful. The fibers feel absolutely stunning. Really soft. And this is definitely a wig I can wear to work without a problem. I might have to just pull this back because it's not really a face flopper. These are heat-friendly fibers. You can just, probably what I will do is do this for a bit and then massage the knots backwards like this. And then you can see it already starts moving back, but obviously that's not a permanent solution. So I would put a little bit of water on, clip it back, and then use a hairdryer and just put the heat on it until it's dried, and then you will have it moving back. Oh, this is gorgeous. This is exactly what I hoped it would be like. It's so natural. I hope you agree that this is a really natural looking wig. You wouldn't know it's a wig, right? If you're interested in this wig, I will put a link down below in the description box and probably pin it in the comments as well, so you can find it easily. Go and check it out, and check out the other Petite Wigs range. There are gorgeous, gorgeous styles there. I had a hard time choosing which one I want to go for. If you have any questions, any comments, just put them down below. And I hope I see you very soon. Bye.